So, I'm gonna do a review on this Shea Moisture hair mask. I'm gonna insert a picture right there because I don't remember the name of it. But girl, this hair mask is everything. Like when I say everything, like it really, really made my hair so soft. My hair, I put some leave-in conditioner in it, so it still isn't completely dry. And I'm trying to wait for it to hurry up and like get dry because, damn. But but man, I'll put this hair mask in my hair. Okay, so first, I wash my hair, and just with regular shampoo, I wash my hair, and then I put the hair mask in generous amounts, and then I put the shower cap on, and I set for about 10 minutes. And after that, I took it off, I washed it out, put some leave-in conditioner in my hair, and when I tell y'all, as I was styling my hair, I was like, like it's so soft, like it's way softer than I have experienced it so far. I was gonna say ever experienced it, but nah, it hasn't been cut for a week, so it's way softer than I've experienced it thus far. And I'm like, man, because I was noticing like, damn, it don't matter what I put in my hair is always so damn hard. Like it's rough. Like my edges, like around this front area, it's okay. But once you get like to the middle of my head, my hair's like, bitch, what? That's what my hair says to me every single time I touch the middle. It's like, bitch, who? When? Say what? It doesn't, I don't know. This is 4C. I would say my perimeter is 4C. The middle of my hair is bitch what? That's the grade of it, bitch what? So it's really difficult, I'm finding, to hold anything in that patch. So what I'm doing is just trying out new products to see what works and what doesn't work. So my sister, she came down recently and she bought like some stuff that she doesn't use anymore for her hair. I was like, well, let me try it. Again, I'm gonna insert a picture right there. And I was like, okay, well, let me try it. So yeah, I tried it, and I just wanted to show you guys like how soft and malleable my hair is. I hope I use that word right, malleable. Yeah, but so yeah, all I did was like I put some again, I washed it out, put some leave-in in, styled it. I'm sorry, put some leave-in in, let that sit. Actually, it's still in there because it's leave-in. But yeah, but then I styled it, and it's like, man, like I'm letting it dry, and even like this section is dry. And it's like, it's so long. But yeah, so I'm waiting for the rest of it to dry. See? Also put some olive oil in my hair as well. Like, so I don't know. Trying to lock in that moisture. So I'm trying to take everything I put in my hair so that you can try it and you can find out if that works for your hair as well. Because when I tell you, like literally my hair is so feels like a pillow. I love it. So I figured I'd come and share with you guys. Yeah. So if you would like to see my actual routine, because this is going to be like my new routine. So if you want to see like the routine and, you know, actually see it instead of just hear it, then you can leave that down in the comment. You can comment that. You can comment that. You can comment that and see what I can do about it. But as for right now, I just want to show you, I just want to come and give you guys like a verbal affirmation that yes, you should definitely use this product, or at least try it. Like if you have like, I don't know why hair stops at 4C, because this is far rougher than 4C. This is like 4Z hair. No, okay, not Z5. This is like 4Y, bitch. 4Y hair, like, bitch, 4Y, is this so rough? And it is. It really is. So, yeah. So, thank you. Thank you for watching and listening and bearing with me on this journey. Okay. Thanks.